Uh, Daddy put a surprise. What's it called this one now? Party thing in there. I don't know what's the name, but I got party stuff here. Happy birthday. She is 6 tomorrow. Should put a picture of here. She like cats, so Daddy put cats in here. Right there. I hope we can find balloon tomorrow. It's really nice. Pink. She like pink. And cats. And dogs. Tomorrow we're gonna go find a birthday on her cake too. Should put a picture of her in there. Print one. Happy birthday to you. Siarra's 6th birthday.
Siarra, happy birthday too.
It's our cake that we made yesterday. Somebody stole some little slice up here. I didn't know who is it. I think it's up here.
Can I work?
Yes.
That's a nice slice.
That's a good slice.
We're gonna
She has to get her gift later. Can't get her a gift now because of paranoia and junk going on.
It's you.
Is that me? Oh, gorgeous. Happy birthday. How old are you now? Huh?
She's 6.
Okay, 6. Daddy made this one last night. Happy birthday!
Birthday.
Yes, a princess birthday. Yes, who's this princess? Siarra.
No, I'm brown hair.
Ah, you got brown hair.
Princesses got brown hair too.
She said it's not her because she got blonde hair and she got brown hair. Take her picture today.
What about the cats?
I got the cats already.
Love you.
Look what cake.
Hey, mommy. Mommy want to kiss?
Get that.
Kiss daddy. Daddy, your turn to kiss. Look at daddy's face. Look at daddy's face.
It's Daddy's turn to smoochy.
Now, I see the cake.
Okay, let's
Take that
see.
thing in there and throw some milk around it and get it
You
swallowed.
want some cake slice today? Get the slice in there.
Thing.
No, here.
Here.
We do it here. It's to Missy. It's to Missy in there.
Ooh, look at the cherries. Who's going to eat the cherries? Who's going to eat the cherries?
Mommy will eat the cherries.
They're red. And the stick is red too. It is a big green.
Okay, now she's slicing her cake.
Can I do it? I can eat.
You want to slice the cake? Be careful.
Magic is not allowed.
Let's stick my teeth into that thing.
Maybe I can see you in the camera.
Miss Holly, the work of this boy out,
I guess I won't be in it. I just bent my leg out of shape.
and I will take this warning for now, so that you learn how to work the proper
You do
hair
it. So
without
hard.
anybody.
Put it in this place. In my place. And this is about this. You know how to
Oh,
do cake.
jeez.
And your cake.
Take the problems.
She is 6 years old today.
Not 5 anymore.
Not 5 anymore. See. Here. She already sliced her cake.
And
she's-
Daddy helped me a little.
Well, how's the cake taste like?
Good.
Good? Did you love it? Where's the fork, the thing?
Daddy's swinging it.
You did.
Just one fold.
And here's some slice of cake.
I'm
This-
going-
What do you call this one?
Slice cake.
No, you said it's not cake. Brownie. Cake brownie.
I'm gonna take my slice of cake
Miss Melvin. No
in the
move.
kitchen and eat it with some
I
milk.
can't take a picture. Don't move too much. With your cake. Don't move too much with the video. Look. Don't move ah.
That's
One more. What's the knife that they get cut? Oh, you give her a real knife. Okay, my turn. Alexa, sing a birthday song. That's the video.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Alexa, sing it again.
Play the game, Sam.
Got my mind on a number, lucky number of mine. 3.14159. My day is pi day, diameter, circumference, infinite, irrational, without an encumbrance. Going round in circles, a revolving door.
She love her
Feeling
cake.
transcendental over 3.14. I'll take a slice of that never-ending pie, a never-ending slice. Oh me, oh my.
it's
Alexa.
like a pie.
Alexa, sing another birthday song.
You have soft kitty enabled. Do you want to open it?
No. Alexa, sing a birthday song.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to
It's Alexa singing.
you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alexa,
And
sing another birthday song.
you have soft kitty enabled. Do you want to open it?
No. Alexa, sing a birthday song.
Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Our kitchen is too messy. We just got home from shopping for food for the month. For the whole month shopping. See? We just shopped today. And then we're not done yet. Now we're eating her birthday cake. There's the birthday celebrant right there. Hello? Our food's not done cooking yet, so we eat cake right now.
I want to say something.
Where's mine?
What did you think? I think he's hating for my cake.
Now you taking cherry off?
I like cherry.
Sweet and the cherry.
Got it. Guys, it tastes like, what's that? What's that cake in? Like chocolate mousse. It tastes like chocolate mousse.
Moose, not mouse.
Mousse. Like mousse. It tastes like mousse.
What are you doing?
Okay.
What's that? Your shoes are good.
I'm cooking chicken right now. Already 8 o'clock almost.
If I throw up in the morning,
Chicken.
Give me
Give me Coke.
a little bit of Coke too.
Wait lang. We're cooking chicken for supper and it's almost 8 o'clock. And many, many more. They're having a cake mukbang. Is that cake mukbang? They're having a cake mukbang.
What's that mean?
Eating cake. In Korea, I call that one mukbang.
Yep, but we're not in Korea.
Okay, we're in Philippines, we call that one. Nangaon sila og cake. Siarra's birthday.
I can finish it.
You can finish
It's
that.
alright. Just stick the icing. If you don't like the cake, stick the icing.
I can finish.
That's right. You're done. You're done. Eat what you can.
Wanna
When you
cook the
finish.
deck?
Don't give him one of those big glasses you get because they're not eating supper. I just want a little bit.
Share with Siarra. Wanna eat some cake too? I'm hungry.
Cake's good, but this is all I'm going to eat. Because I don't want to ruin supper. It's good cake.
It turned out good. Even I forgot the baking powder. It's like chocolate mousse.
I said.
I got to come up in June. I'm a big 4-3.
Want cake too? No? You want cake?
We had a cake this time. I'm going to put some of these same icing on it.
I think we can go in the city.
We really ain't dated the June tonight.
Off na. Say bye-bye. Bye!
Oh, no.